How to change tabs theme on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change tabs theme on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and now just click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click this icon here in the bottom, and now click these three lines here in the top corner and then click view as. And now all you need to do, just select any theme you want like this one and click OK, and you can change it again. Just click these 3 points and view as. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.